In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your Microsoft Forms survey results, providing a complete guide for 2025. First, to access your survey results, you'll want to start by heading over to forms.office.com. Once you're there, select the form you're interested in analyzing. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Responses tab. Click on this to open a dashboard that gives you a quick overview of all the submissions you've received. This dashboard is your entry point to getting deeper insights about your survey data. Now that you've accessed the dashboard, let's explore the built-in summary features. Microsoft Forms automatically generates visual insights that can give you a quick understanding of your data without exporting it elsewhere. You'll notice response counts that provide the total number of submissions. If your survey includes multiple choice questions, you'll also see automatically generated charts like pie or bar graphs. For text answers, some users now have access to AI-generated word clouds, a new feature in 2025, offering a dynamic look into common words and phrases. If your form is a quiz, you'll get the average scores too. This is a fantastic way to quickly see trends without any manual work. If you need to delve deeper into individual responses, you've got a couple of options. By clicking on View Results, you can browse through each response one by one, which is great for spotting any outliers or checking specific answers. For more detailed views, you can select more details under any specific question. This allows you to see all responses related to that question, helping you to get a granular understanding of your data. For those who need a more powerful analytical tool, exporting your results to Excel offers the most flexibility. Back in the Responses tab, look for the Open in Excel button. Clicking this downloads an .xlsx file, giving you a table format of all responses. Excel's features allow you to apply filters, sort the data, create pivot tables, and even custom charts and dashboards. You can also combine data from multiple surveys, making it an excellent option for long-term analysis or if you need to dive deeply into your data. This kind of advanced analysis is key for drawing thorough insights that might not be immediately obvious through the built-in features. Microsoft has also introduced AI-powered insights within the Forms application itself. Depending on your organization's setup, you might notice an Insights panel under the Responses tab. This feature offers suggestions such as identifying trends over time, highlighting top keywords in text answers, and performing sentiment analysis to gauge the overall mood of the responses. This tool is especially useful for analyzing large sets of free text responses without needing to manually review each one. Lastly, sharing these results with your team is straightforward. Within the Responses tab, find the More Options menu and select Create a Summary link. You can share this link with anyone who needs to see the results without giving them the ability to edit the form itself. For even more interactive features, consider exporting your data to Power BI, where you can build comprehensive dashboards. With these steps, you're now equipped to fully analyze and share your Microsoft Forms survey results for 2025 and beyond. Thank you for watching.